Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting required documents: Aadhaar, PAN, bank statement, and salary proof. Open the Flipkart app and navigate directly to loans. Once there, choose Personal Loan and tap Apply. Make sure to confirm your mobile number matches bank KYC for OTP verification. You should enter basic details first: name, DOB, PAN, and link your bank account for instant verification. Once done, review the pre-filled fields carefully and correct any mismatches before moving to income proof upload. You now handle verification and selection. Start eKYC using OTP. If bank verification is needed, approve the micro deposit or NPCI consent flow. Next, compare offers, tenure, EMI amount, processing fee, and effective annual interest so you know total cost. Upload supporting docs: salary slips, ITR, or last 3 months bank statements. Once done, choose a loan amount and tenure that keeps EMI under 40% of your take-home. Make sure to read charges and decline add-ons you don't need. You finish by reviewing the loan agreement line by line, then sign digitally and authorize dispersal. Once done, monitor the application status in the Flipkart app. Funds usually land in 24-72 hours. Make sure to confirm the dispersal account number and UPI/BEN details to avoid rejects. If dispersal is delayed or rejected, check KYC completion, bank account validation, and document clarity. Contact lender support with your application ID. As a tip, clear any
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.